What's going on, everybody? It's bright and early in the BCO garage. As you can see behind me, it's still dark out and we're getting ready to go on another adventure. But today I wanted to talk to you about what's sitting right beside me here. This is a brand new 4-way inflation and deflation system from Speedflate. What it does is it clips on to all 4 of your tires at the same time, hooks up to your compressor, and through this gauge can regulate the pressure of all 4 tires all at once. So whether you're deflating or inflating, it keeps them all at exactly the same pressure. So we're going to try this out on the trail today. So hang tight, let's get out there and air down. All right, so first thing we'll do is we're going to deflate. Let's make sure this is closed. So we're going to lay everything out. We're going to plug everything into the wheels. All right, once you've got all 4 hooked up, open this. Right, so now all 4 tires are at 19 pounds, and we can disconnect it. All right, so we're back from the run. Got the Speedflate here. Plug it directly into the ARB, and always make sure it's closed when you hook it up to the tires. There we go. Turn on the compressor, open up the valve, and we are airing up. Sorry about all the noise, but once you hit your desired pressure, close the valve, turn off the compressor, and disconnect the whole system. Now keep in mind, the system is still pressurized, so when you disconnect it, you might have some air escape. So that's the Speedflate 4-way inflation and deflation system. It's made in California with high quality parts, and it makes airing up and airing down a snap. Definitely adds a lot of speed to the process. For more information on Speedflate, I'm going to put some links down below on where you can pick one up, get more information, as well as some other useful links. Do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified anytime we have new adventures, gear reviews, things like that coming from Bold Canyon Outdoors. So that's it for now. For Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.